Hey guys, just want to do an update for you. I know it's been a little while. I was hoping to do the second part of the membrane traps, but unfortunately the metal sheets and the angle iron that's used for mounting internally are still in fabrication. The lead time was a little longer than I anticipated, so I didn't want to leave you hanging, so I did some other things along the way here. Just want to go over them. Nothing too crazy, but basically I started putting the frames together for the broadband traps, along with mounted the membrane trap enclosures where they're going to be. So basically here we have the front wall, which is a broadband trap, which will have wave guides and slats on the outside, and then I've drawn out where the other trap will go. This is a slanted trap, which will be broadband as well with slats. Here's the membrane, and this will go back. I didn't put these all in back here because I knew I was going to need to wrestle with the membrane to get it in here. And I finished up the back wall as well, which is, again, that'll just be broadband also. Most of these will have wave guides, like I said. The back, probably not. If you're not sure what wave guides are, they're right here. They'll be in the traps. When I do them, I'll show you exactly how it's done. It just basically starting here, these are just frames for the broadband traps. And in there will go insulation and then covered with fabric. So that's about it. Been pretty busy. These are tie lines to another room. Been pretty busy with a lot of this kind of stuff. So things are starting to take shape. As soon as I get that membrane stuff together, then things are really gonna go pretty quick, I think. We'll get those in, and then we'll get the rest of the traps in, and then we need to tackle the wiring, which should be pretty interesting. Gonna put switches on this wall right over here. I'm gonna just mount them to the side of this right here and have the switches there for a heater and the lights, 2 dimmers. The heater is gonna go right down in there. And then after that, we have to figure out a solution for the ceiling, which will either be fabric or drop ceiling, but most likely fabric, because the drop ceiling that we would need to buy is extraordinarily expensive. So that's about it. Again, I've been busy, but I was hoping to get that part 2, but not just yet. So I'll get that up next, or as soon as I can, and I'll also get a little tutorial on how I build the broadband traps with the wave guides. And I'll just keep you guys up to date as I go. Hope everything's all right. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Leave them below. Give me a like. Love to hear from you if you have any comments or anything like that. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you later.